my YouTube family. Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video you are going to learn about community tab. Yes, if you have a YouTube channel and you got 1,000 subscribers on your channel, so now it's time to get community tab so that you can interact with your YouTube family members. So here we go. What you can do is just go on your channel that is on YouTube and click on the logo of your channel, scroll down and click on the send feedback. By clicking on it, this option will come on your screen, the send feedback. And for sending feedback you need to take a screenshot. Yes, the way I'm taking, you just need to take a screenshot of all these options that you have right now on your channel and click on done, and then write here something that you want to say to the YouTube, that please can you could allow community tab on our channel, as I have got 1,000 subscribers and it's very beneficial, as it is helpful to interact with our YouTube members, and then send it. Okay, and I have community tab already, as I did the same procedure for my channel. Let me show you that how it will look like on community tab. You will get options of like to upload video, for poll, and for images. Even you can talk with your family, YouTube family, if you are not uploading videos since 2 or 3 days, so you can inform your family members. Okay, and you can be in touch with them.